Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will edit a urban look photograph that I took just yesterday. In this case you can see this is the photo of this video. So I think that the way that we can go is just to make this kind of environment really clean, really sharp, and focus. Okay, so we want to aim to a street kind of look. So let's see, first thing first, if the exposure is right. Maybe we can add just a little light so you can see that under the bridges some details are coming back up. Let's see with the contrast, since we want a more direct and straightforward kind of look. I will raise them just a little, and for the lights maybe just a touch. For the shadows I will just lower them, since I want that all the details of the structure come to more life, and the viewer can just focus on them. You see all these parts, for example. So just a little. The whites we can bring back down just to not have any kind of overexposed kind of looking areas. And for the blacks, maybe just a little more intense, always for the look that we want to achieve more direct. You see that for at my eyes is like more confused kind of a picture from the beginning to where we are now. It's more clear. Then I think that if we can if we will raise the temperature, maybe we will lose some of this kind of dystopic and futuristic look. So I would just raise a little, not too much. Okay, and let's see if we can shift towards the green or the purples. Maybe the purples gives a more clean look. Okay, let's see the colors. I want to bring them just a little more vivid, okay, but not too much. And the saturation even. And now I think that in this area we can really do a lot, since if we bring up the texture of the picture, all the details there or in the ceiling, they are more visible, and even some haze, we can bring it out. You see, it's way more kind of aggressive type of look. Clarity, yes, just a little. Then I want just to go back to the lights section, because the whites are maybe just too intense. So let me bring it down. Okay, and in this area we are pretty done. And if we want to go to the extra mile, we can just see if by coloring some shadows we can improve in this case the mood of the picture. So we are working now on the blue and the yellows. Okay, so our shadow is more bluish now. Let's see with the green. I don't really like the tone of the green in this picture, so maybe no, we will definitely leave it as it was in this case, or we will go too much on overrated side. Okay, maybe some red gives some kind of aggressive vibe. So I won't edit really, I don't think anything else. Let's see where we started and where we are now. I think we can be pretty satisfied. I hope you enjoy this edit. If you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like at this video. And if you want to see all of my pictures, you can find them at last.stop.okinawa. See you there.